Hey, this is Giovanni from the Santurce Salsa Club, Puerto Rico. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. Today I want to answer a question that I get a lot. Where can you go live salsa dancing with the live band? So you have a few different options when you're in San Juan. It depends on the date. For example, if you go on a Thursday, you can go in Piso Viejo. That's in Calle Loiza, 1917 Calle Loiza. It's called Piso Viejo. And at 10 o'clock on a Thursday, they start having a band. So there's some lessons before, but at 10 o'clock they have a live band that go until 1, 2 p.m. It's fun. The place is fun. The atmosphere is really fun. The band is really good and is close to the beach. So it's really like a nice atmosphere. Calle Loiza is very bohemian. Good, very good place to be. On a Friday, you can go in La Placita and you can go to Taberna Los Vasquez. So I already touched base in another video what's the best bar in La Placita, and that's definitely for me Taberna Los Vasquez. Where is it? When you go to the place, there is a big screen. Taberna Los Vasquez is at the bottom of it. And on the Friday, start at 10:30, they start to have live music. And it's very like a mix of local and tourists. It's really fun. Taberna Los Vasquez is really fun. It's one of my favorites. It's very casual. The drinks are very cheap. The music is live. People dance pretty well. But you also have tourists. Really good spot. Saturday, weekend time, you're going to go to Old San Juan, Calle San Sebastian, La Factoria. The music is live most of the Saturday, not all of them. You want to double check. Sometimes it's a DJ, but you most of the time gonna have live music. Now on Saturday, the place is crowded. The good thing is you have 5 rooms. So if you're tired of salsa, you can go to the back and it's electronics. They have different ambience like that. But if you want salsa, the room is on the back. Most of the time it's gonna be live music, but sometimes it's a DJ. And people dance pretty well. You have a lot of tourists, but people dance pretty well. And you have to keep in mind on Saturdays there's a lot of people. A lot of people. But if you haven't been to La Factoria, you should definitely go to La Factoria because La Factoria is very unique. And then on a Sunday, you can go back to La Placita and go this time to De La Vida. So this one starts a little bit earlier. Saturday I didn't tell you, but it starts around 10 in La Factoria. In De La Vida, it starts around 9. This is start earlier. It's outside. They have a covered patio, and there's a lot of local on this one. People dance pretty well. They have a live band that's the live band that they have in De La Vida, and the patio is very big. They have a lot of different drinks. You can even eat there. The level is pretty good. I really like De La Vida on a Sunday. So to recap, Thursday you're gonna go to Piso Viejo. Friday, Taberna Los Vasquez in La Placita. Saturday you're gonna go to La Factoria, Calle San Sebastian in Old San Juan. And Sunday, De La Vida. Please double check on social media before to make sure it happens. The one that always happens is the Friday one in La Placita. They're not so present, Taberna Los Vasquez, on social media, but they will have every Friday the band. For the other one, I recommend to check Piso Viejo most of the time. Sometimes they don't do it, but I would recommend you to check. So Thursday, Piso Viejo. Friday, La Placita, Taberna Los Vasquez. Saturday, La Factoria in Old San Juan, and Sunday, De La Vida. I hope this helped. Have fun in dancing live salsa music. If you have any question, please shoot me an email at Giovanni Santurce Salsa Club, or you can leave a comment below and have fun. This is what salsa is all about. See you guys.